Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing or unpacking app on your Nokia G11. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app, enter RAR, hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. We'll need to grant it all file access, like that. Now if we go back and dismiss this notification, our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.